Ghana, we now have freedom.
The map says it's this way, and this way is where we're going to go. I don't give a hoot rat about your mumbo jumbo, spirit, and whatever you call it. Here is my duty.
Oh Lord.
This is Africa, a country called Ghana.
We're actually looking for this village. As in Penny?
Yeah, Penny. ASANTE, yes!
We finally made it! Now, this is where you hail me.
So my two naked eyes, just what my mother told me. Exactly the way it is on the map.
Are you sure you're a real professor?
Yes.
You should know the difference between an old man and a young man. I don't have the strength to run again.
Joyce. Jesus Christ! I am Sophie. You say baby,
Bloody dwarf only has its powers here in this forest. If we get to the city, it will have no powers, but you won't listen.
Just when I'm from there,
English?
what do I do to you? When I walk anyway, when I don't quite say no, I was so to up
But that money is good to die for.
You are supposed to take us through this forest to the community. Where did you stop?
Mente. What are you maintaining?
This thing you see here is river and the mami water. They inside.
this and do ninja skills.
Oh, we should disguise.
Yes, disguise.
But you just brought this out of your anus.
It's okay, it's okay.
Yeah, it's okay. You talking about me?
No. You're talking about our history.
You better be.
Yeah, better be. Are you too white?
I be black and white.
Oh my God, I'm me and to tell your mama asaura. There will be mine. You are the all right. We have for me sure some mudu do no want to kanka nyame eda say ye date bia no ho abakwasem de bebre. Now this movie, which is going to be premiered on the 17th of May at the National Theatre on the 17th of May, and also at the KUMAWOOD Auditorium Accra, that is on the 25th of May, and also at the Uzbek Hotel Sunyani on the 1st of June. This movie I can once my better once maybe to story kakra show. It himself and say me na ba abonting and a binum so different perspective, different expectations. I want more share every this movie say movie neighbor out pa na anyen ye wo mo hwehwa and ye say me but I can assure you say the storyline that is about this movie is one of the best ever. A kwanya akwesi broni scout nkofo bi using a map, and the map was to tell them say there is a certain village here womo ewo agudie no honhom sa womu and how awa won sa be kan betimi aboa wo kwan bebre so na konfa so ko pie mu wo krom ho the dangers they had to go through, that is through the forest amko pie mu wo krom ho no mko pie mu ho kwan mo fa so adehia na wo so nko mo bo ade papa yi anase ejapade ho ban, some were able to be convinced with some amount of money abra na bebre enim fa chiri ton ye ma akosi broni. Some of the family members were not also in agreement with giving it to akosi broni as and some no koye bebre e ma kwan bi so no ekodi won sa home ni sa say or manifest it, and the camera qualities, the effect, wow, it was beautiful. And to say the KUMAWOOD, though this is a KUMAWOOD production, but everything about this movie is so great. Like the graphics, the sound, the coverage, the video quality, the plot, and the more features here to me bibia camera. And also when it comes to the edit, say the make sure no bibia powerful. So do not forget to be there on the 17th of May at the National Theatre. Come and support and enjoy at the same time. And also at the KUMAWOOD Auditorium, Accra, 25th May. Do not forget to also be there. And also Uzbek Hotel, Asunyane, 1st of June. Do not forget to be there. So, your first time I have a channel, do not forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, share. Now, man, for access to this information, say on the 17th of May, 25th, and also on the 1st of June. This movie is going to be premiered at these, places. Now, be answer to me access to a yesini pay. I better for me as I say. Maybe our expectation is nanka movie mokoshe pa nanka anyefe Kwadwo Nkansah Lilwin because we're pushing all these great actors from Nigeria. Nanka storyline and basa. I tell you, it's one of the best. Be there. The National Theatre, at the KUMAWOOD Auditorium, and also at the Uzbek Hotel, Sunyane. The date, and whether that was screen, a country called Ghana. If you need a Ken, do not forget to like this video, share this video, subscribe to this channel. Nobody encourages share out this video. Piao. Boy, mum pedding for HCI no. Asante ho don't hear the Asante Empire family. The almost see what the person yana, some of the agenda biba, agenda near friend, agenda 500 dustbin for the people of Asante man. A cuckoo dam. Ana ewo ekwemu na omo operation ni ana so omo project on dey bay omo so omo nko antimi enkyere won do ma santeman nti omo makonya amo bibiara ono so pese obekye ne do se ni hu yewura na nsenye mu na yewura ja wodi domanim yesi asantema wo hunini mu no omo mo bi akonya nso obekye wo do 500 dustbin project and I said agenda 500 dustbin for the people of Asantema no obetimi ampeke the mobile number no obehunu wo screen so enche kra do na ejaka kra wo bia no nso wetimi dia support the Asante Empire ebusunyeko no won bo homodi bia sa Asantema be peni tumapa eja na Asantema sometimes it's very difficult for you to locate a dustbins. Being and a map debris in your bika a far Santama. Dear Nabit Miama Sante, pick a numbers here or screen issue, be and check na friend. Even you can be in partnership with them. You can provide some of the dustbins. It be a yes, but refer some of the numbers. No one show me said media. The person me thought dustbins in real. Being in a quite your primswa, yet the aquatra Santama or da. Your man, open so a bit in a number who screen issue. A year the chief financial officer, the Dingusui. Now, our friend, a year Bernard Kwame Boateng, the chief financial officer for your Santaman Empire family. No Napotano, the Bianzo Etimi Edimo. Chewodo by supporting with dustbins. Now, in into me, ACC Santamemo, and as a Chewodo by picking the mobile money number you see on your screen and make your donation. A Marafi, Mawasante Sempo. Here, the Asante Empire.
Boy, Juma, we did the Jacob. So now see commentary or social media. No style of blogging, fantastic. So you see commentary, news in the bar. So you see commentary for home. So good. Keep on going.
And the Ostar also the Ebema other tribe of flow. Uni sorted. India terminate. That's how becano. It's so painful. I know shit. I don't know say I'll commentary like or you as a presenter, sports presenter that they are and maybe I will question free debate. It's all good. Oh yeah, dear. Can one modern? Can one will try pa?
Can one boy Juma we did the Jacob. So now see commentary or social media. No style of blogging, fantastic. So you see commentary, news in the bar. So you see commentary for home. So good. Keep on going.
And the Ostar also the Ebema other tribe of flow. Uni sorted. India terminate. That's how becano. It's so painful. I know shit. I don't know say I'll commentary like or you as a presenter, sports presenter that they are and maybe I will question free debate. It's all good. Oh yeah, dear. Can one modern? Can one will try pa?
Emunya Kenny, I'm a no one medada. No one come to be moon here, pa. Sana be a sure so said, who be here once. A simply will be pet, it's Mamma America crabby. The kind. Better will be assay. I was so a kindled gun I was so me, especially on a TikTok. I mean, I don't want Kasa on one or don't tea. And I'm over 100,000. That is 10% of 1 million people. Even if it's a gusumpo and a follow ye and a mudiachi, a way TikTok. So do you answer a muyi chairman away Facebook. And the person moving. I just said, dear, who one fast and say, maybe a YouTube account, a monopa, the content a woman couldn't do baby. afei ne yɛde ba there were a lot of beautiful packages a yɛde brɛ Ghana for ma mo ne media mo nim sɛ de mesi yɛ ɛno nti nsi me fɔ mo ne gyi video bia me de bɛbɛ bia ho ɛno nti mɛsrɛ wade ba ko pɛ sɛ yɛti abusua foforɔ wɔ ha yi YouTube ha yi ma remfi sɛ wobɛ subscribe channel we ama me an nim sɛ de mesi yɛ video ne sɔfo ma obi ani gye ho we ayɛ abusua ko foforɔ a yɛti ne YouTube ha nti no channel yɛ abofra afei na wo nyini mɛsrɛ wo sɛ bɛka me ho ne nyini ha de ne nso nka ho sɛ de maboa ama ɛnɛ TikTok you woni padodo be almost 10% of over 1 million people na follow your TikTok amanam saa so eye bi kyerɛ me ɛwɔ yɛ Facebook no subscribe channel we so ma me emum de hia ne sɛ o subscribe wi a ɛma wura mfi sɛ adɔma na ɛda subscription ne nkyɛn no wɔde wɔn nsa bɛbɔ so na wachu so all onim sɛ details na ne kura ne nyinaa hwehwɛ a na yɛde abrɛ mu ebie mu nso wɔ ha YouTube ha yɛ sɛ na bia obedi kan na wɔn nsa aka video bi a me de bɛbɛ bi enti no ɛsa asere obi o sɛ o subscribe wi a ɛma wura mfi sɛ wɔde wɔn nsa bɛbɔ adɔma na ɛda subscription ne nkyɛn na wachu so all no yɛ nyina abusua we brade bɛka ho ne yɛ nyina we so ɛnka ne yɛ dada no within the ken the catch content I de be go YouTube ha no ano dancing the munim dada no afei na afei yɛbɛbɛ wura de mu oduro ne mu yɛ sure sɛ wonim sɛ me de mɛyɛ ma akɔ hwɛ no kura no afei tifini apue ne anafo abrɛw ɔdɔ a me wɔ ma wonti mo nua ken nie subscribe pɔnsa bɔ adɔma no choose you all afei share video yi ɛma nipa dodoɔ bebree na wɔn nso nya bi hwɛ nim sɛ manu asi wɔde kia subscribe kura dada ɛde wɔn sa abɔ adɔma no so choose you all no within the ken no edi kra ɛbɛsɛ hyia on our next video.